Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Paltalk. You will go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we will search about the application of Paltalk and you will click here. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.